Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be refreshing my parents' pergola. This pergola, tea house, she shed, whatever you want to call it, was a pandemic project. We made it over the pandemic, but we never finished it fully. And so in today's video, I wanted to take you guys along with me as I finish sealing the she shed pergola and then also refreshing it with some fresh furniture. Don't mind me if I keep interchanging pergola and she shed and tea house all in one. I can't help it. I don't know what it's called, guys. Let me know what you guys think it's called. Before we get started, be sure to like this video as well as comment down below. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe if you enjoy all things home decor, DIY, room makeovers, and everything else in between. The first thing we needed to do was seal the wood. We made the whole thing last year and then completely forgot to seal the thing. And so now, in order to prevent any decay and rot, we needed to seal it. I went ahead and found this really old can of stain somewhere in my backyard. I don't recommend using old stain. It ended up kind of not matching the rest of the building, but it's totally fine because, as you'll see later, we actually ended up covering it up. Once we finished staining it, I went ahead and sealed it and let it dry for a couple of days. Good morning. It is day 2 of the tea house pergola, whatever you want to call it, makeover. It's looking really good. I can't tell if it's really shiny or really wet, so I guess we'll give it some more time. I have an appointment now at 11:30, but I think by the time I get home, we should know if it's still wet or not. But this is what it's looking like. After a few days, I came back and finished furnishing it. As far as the furniture, I will link as much as I can down below. A lot of these things were purchased last year, so they may not be in sale anymore, but I will try my best to find dupes for them. My dad thought it'd be more appropriate to install an actual hook than to just stick. What are those called?
What?
The bell things?
Wind chime.
Wind
chime.
Oh. My dad thought it'd be more appropriate to put the wind chime on an actual hook as opposed to the pergola. I think he might be right. And that was my pergola, tea house, she shed makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to make one of these things, definitely let me know down in the comments. We had such a good time making it and we would love to show you. So definitely let me know. Be sure to like this video as well as subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.